Good morning, students. In as we have already discussed our chapter 3 word processor tabular representation. In part 1 we have discussed how to insert a table, how you can entering data in a table, how you can select cells, rows, columns and table, how you can add and delete the rows, how you can add and delete the columns, how you can change column width and row height. I hope you understood part 1. Today we are going to begin our part 2 with the topics merging cells, splitting cells, moving and resizing tables, borders and shadings in a table, table style and aligning text in a table. So let's see what is merging.
Merging cells. Merging refers to combine two or more cells in the same row or same column into a single cell. To merge two or more cells, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the cells to be merged. Step 2. Click on the Layout tab. Step 3. Click on the Merge Cells command. The selected cells are merged as one cell. Splitting cells. Splitting refers to dividing one cell into two or more cells. To split a cell, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the cell to be split. Step 2. Click on the Layout tab. Step 3. Click on the Split Cells command. The Split Cells dialog box will open. Step 4. Enter the number of rows and columns you want to split your cells into. The cells will split in the required number of rows and columns. Moving and resizing tables. Moving a table means to change the position of the table from one place to another. Resizing a table means to increase and decrease the size of the table. To move a table, follow these steps. Step 1. Click anywhere in the table. Move the mouse pointer over the table. The Move Table handle will appear on the top left corner of the table. Step 2. Move the mouse pointer over the Move Table handle. The mouse pointer converts to plus sign. Step 3. Click and drag the table to the left, right, top or bottom and release the mouse button. To resize a table. Step 1. Move the mouse pointer over the table. The table resize handle will appear at the bottom right corner of the table. Move the mouse pointer over the table resize handle. Mouse pointer converts to two-headed cross arrow. Step 2. Click and drag the mouse diagonally and release the mouse button when you get the desired size. Border and shading. Border and shading enhance the look and feel of the table. Let's learn how to apply border and shading to cells, rows, columns or entire table. Applying borders. You can easily apply border to cells, rows, columns or entire table. To apply border, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the desired cells, rows or columns on which you want to apply the border. Step 2. Click on the Borders command under the Borders group of the Design tab. Step 3. Select a type of border from the list. Step 4. If you want to change the style of border, click on Borders and Shading to open Borders and Shading dialog box. Step 5. From the Borders tab of the dialog box, select a style, color and width of your border. Step 6. Click on OK button. The border style will be applied to the selected table. Applying shading. You can also add shading to some or all of the cells in the table. To apply shading on the cells, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the cells, rows or columns. Step 2. Click on the shading command from the Table Styles group of the Design tab to open a drop-down list of colors. Step 3. Click on a color from the list. The shading will be applied to the selected cells, rows or columns. Styles. With Table Styles feature, you can format the entire table quickly. You can apply any style to your table from the Table Styles feature. There are many inbuilt table styles present in MS Word. Perform the following steps to apply a table style. Step 1. Click anywhere on the table. The Design tab appears on the ribbon. Step 2. Click and select the design of your choice from the Table Styles group. The selected style will be applied to the table. Aligning text in table. You can align text in table by performing the following steps. Step 1. Select the cell or row or column or an entire table whose content you want to align. In this case, we have selected entire table. Step 2. Click on the Layout tab. Step 3. Click on the alignment of your choice from the alignment group. In this case, we have clicked the Align Center option. The selected text will be aligned at center.
Now, we have finished our part 2, all the topics merging cells. Merging cells. Sometimes data is split in numerous segments of a cell and you want to combine it in a single cell. To give it a better look, merging the cell provides a way to consolidate data in some or in one cell. Select the cell you want to merge, click on the Layout tab, select the Merge Cell button in the Merge group, and the data gets merged into a single cell. Splitting cells. Splitting means a cell divided. Splitting a cell means dividing the selected cell into separate parts. Split means break karna. To split a cell by simply doing these steps, select the cell which you want to split, click on the Layout tab, select the Split Cell button in Merge group, Split Cell dialog box appears, and define the number of rows and column in the respective spin box which you want to split. Then after click OK, your cells will be splitted. Next, moving and resizing. Moving and resizing is helpful when you increase or decrease the size of a table manually by using the table resize handle, but Word also offers ready-made solution to resize the table. Resizing of a table can be done by the AutoFit options that offers flexibility to automatically resize the column width based on the different criteria. You can set the table width based on the window size or convert it back to use fixed column width. When you click on a table, you notice a plus sign at the upper left corner. This is called the table move handle, which is used to move a table. The small hollow square at the bottom right corner of the table is called table resize handle. This handle is used to resize a table. Next, border and shadings. Border and shading is used to enhance the appearance of a table, to make your table with a different look. By applying a variety of borders and shading in your table, you can give a new look to your table or impressive look of your table. With the table style feature, it is also used for formatting a table. Formatting controls the overall appearance of a table. After creating a table, you can format the entire table by applying various styles. By changing row height, you can change column width, splitting and merging the cells, applying border and shading. A table can be formatted by using the Table Styles gallery. Table Style is an inbuilt facility to change the appearance, colors and borders of a table. Click on the table that you want to format under the Table Tools. Click on the Design tab. Select the desired style from the Table Style group. Here you can also get more style options for your table by clicking on the More drop-down arrow of the Table Styles gallery. Next, align text in a table. Text alignment refers to the positioning of text in the cells of a table. It specifies how the text appears horizontally and vertically to align the text. I hope you understood this chapter. Once again, I am telling you the basic information of this chapter, as I have finished with both the parts of the chapter. What is table? A table is an organized arrangement of data. Data means it can be a number, text, pictures and other objects which consist of number of rows and columns. The horizontal line is known as the rows and the vertical lines are known as the columns, and the intersection of row and column is called a cell. By formatting controls the overall appearance of a table we can change, and table style is an inbuilt facility to change the appearance, colors and borders of a table. The table move handle and table resize handle are also used to move and resize the entire table respectively. Splitting is dividing the selected cells into separate cells. Combining two or more cells into a single cell is called merging. The auto-fit option offers flexibility to automatically resize the column width based on the different criteria. Alignment of a table refers to the positioning of a table on a page. Text alignment refers to the positioning of text in the cells of a table.